Hello friends, I am Omar from Green Oaks Trading Company, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I am delighted to be visiting India from 23rd to 25th October 2026 to participate in the Bharat International Rice Conference 2026, the world's largest gathering dedicated to the global rice industry. BIRC is an outstanding platform to meet leading rice exporters, importers, millers, technology providers, logistic companies, and policy makers from across the world. It offers exceptional opportunities for networking, discovering new business partners, and expanding international trade. I have learned that last year's conference was a tremendous success with thousands of participants and buyers from numerous countries. The positive feedback and business opportunities created at BIRC 2025 inspired me to be part of this year's event. I warmly invite all my friends and business associates to join me at BIRC 2026. Come and experience the scale, professionalism, and business potential for yourself. Because seeing is believing. I look forward to meet you in New Delhi during 23rd to 25 October 2026. Thank you very much.